So in the last video, I told you guys how I did something really stupid to Amanda's car, and it's been about a week, and I kind of just left everything how it is because I kind of wanted to show you guys, but here is the damage, boys. I don't know how I did it. I don't understand how I was able to let this happen. The bumper is fine-ish, I hope. It seems like all it is this metal bracket right here, so I might just have to replace that, and then the bumper should be fine. She is not moving. Basically, I was trying to back into 350Z right behind the GTR, and I came too close to the curb, and I guess I hit it right over here, and the 350 is too low, and it just kind of caught. And basically, I'm just an idiot. I don't know how I did that, and I'm surprised that Amanda's still letting me drive around her 350 while the skyline's down. But today is not about the 350 or how absolutely disgusting it looks because it hasn't been washed in forever. Today is not about that. Today is about this guy right over here, the new Evo. My little brother is still technically in class right now because he's doing online classes. So while he's still in class, I'm gonna go ahead and take these fenders over to Koi Works. I got these fenders from JDM Buyer, and I really wasn't happy with how they fit on the Skyline. So they've been up for sale for the longest time, and one of the homies over at Koi Works wants to buy them. So somehow I have to throw these fenders into the 350. I can't wait to get these things off my hand. These are just taking up space, and you guys can see that I'm running out of space. But getting these in the 350 might be a little bit of an issue. Not gonna lie, I was kind of doubting the 350 space, but damn, dude, the 350 proved me wrong. I guess it is kind of spacious. It's a good thing that we got both the fenders in the 350 because if they didn't fit in the 350, I would have to take the Evo, and the Evo's unregistered. Driving an unregistered car is not a risk that I wanted to take, so let's go out, head to Koi Works, sell these fenders, and then we can come back and then start working on the Evo. Can't forget the mask. Oh shit, I forgot the key. Coming from the BRZ, a fun handling car, but not having any speed whatsoever, and then going into a 350 that has both speed and fun handling, the 350 feels like it just stomps over the BRZ. If the BRZ had the 350's power, I feel like everybody would want a BRZ. Oh, she pulls. She pulls. See you later, fenders. They just were not it. I decided I'm just gonna stick with the OEM fenders. You're good, you're good. This way a little bit. I don't like to stop at convenience stores because of, like, you know, COVID going on. But today I made an exception because it was just super hot out and it is disgusting outside. So I stopped and got this Monster. I'm a huge fan of the Monster Zeros because, you know, your boy's trying to slim down a little bit. And I tried this new flavor out. I've never seen this before. It's called Ultra Rosa. And it's so good. I literally don't know what it tastes like, but it just tastes really good. If you guys like Monster, definitely try it out. It's really good. But we are back home now, boys, and it is time to explain everything going on with the Evo. And you guys saw it in the last video. You guys had some unanswered questions. Today I'm gonna answer those questions, and then we are also gonna be installing an exhaust for the Evo because my little brother already got an exhaust for this car. So basically, about 2 weeks ago, I was going through a salvage yard and I came across this Evo. And you guys know that my little brother recently sold a Civic and he was looking for a 300ZX. I came across this Evo. It was literally like in mint condition. The only thing was it smelled like shit because it was a flood damage, but everything else checked out. It ran, it drove, it only had 77,000 miles on it. It's 100% stock, mind you. So we brought it home, we fixed up little things that had an idling issue, we fixed the idling issue, we completely shampooed the crap out of the carpets and we made it super clean. Inside the car, it's literally like a new car now. I'm really jealous that he got such a good deal. This is the best part, guys. Everything all said and done, delivered to our house, $8,000. $8,000 for a 77,000 miles stock Evo 10. That is an absolute steal, boys. You guys probably already know how much Evo 10s go for. This was an absolute steal. We just couldn't pass this up. And then he also picked up an exhaust. What exhaust was it? Gretty, wait, pull it out of the trunk. She's dirty, but it's a Gretty catback. I thought it was a dual tip, dude. We're gonna go ahead and install this exhaust today. And then we're also gonna show you guys around the car. Since this is a used exhaust, it is pretty grimy. So my little brother is gonna go ahead, clean that up so it's nice and shiny. This is literally stock, so it's gonna sound like absolutely nothing. And a loop-de-loop and your shoes all looking good. Ah, ow. Stock boy is out. So I pretty much got the whole exhaust in, but we ran into a little issue. So we need some exhaust hardware to get those two things together. The stock bolts will not work. So we're gonna head to the store real quick, get some hardware. Right now, while we're in a pinch, this is gonna work best. The most wild thing just happened inside of AutoZone right now. So when you order something through the phone at AutoZone, you have to give them your credit card information because you have to prepay for it before it gets to the store. So you have to give them all your credit card information. The lady inside literally just had the guy's all information on speaker. Like, it was on speaker. His credit card number, his code on the back of the card, the expiration date. The only thing we missed was the name, and that's because we got there probably after he gave her the name, but that was literally wild. There was like 3 people online, so like, I mean, I don't really remember it, but anybody could have just remembered and used his card. That is literally the most wild thing ever. Stay safe out there, boys, because some employees just do not care. The single tip looks aggressive. Yeah, I like the single tip so much better, dude. That looks so good. That was the weakest cold start ever. That was like the worst cold start, but keep in mind this car does still have its cat. If we took out the cats, we'd have to get it tuned. We didn't want to deal with all that. Do it again. One more time. It definitely has a little spice. Like, it's just gonna give me drone problems. Yeah, it's definitely not. It's like definitely like it's like the perfect amount for a daily. If you're a normal person, if you don't like straight pipes. Maybe test pipe down the road. Maybe, yeah, definitely get a test pipe down the road, but it's definitely like that little spice that you needed. Here it is, boys. Like I told you, it's a 2008 Evo 10. It's literally all stock except for now the Gretty catback. Like I said, we did pick this up from a salvage yard, and it ran when we got it. We still have to somehow take this off. Oh yeah, and it also came with these wheels, which I have no idea what they are, but they're hideous, and the black is completely faded and they're just ugly. This car does need some love. We gotta bring the headlights back to life. We gotta bring the paint back to life. It has some dings here and there. Oh yeah, and the plastic is really faded, so we gotta bring that back to life. The main reason why my little brother picked up this car was because it was such a good steal. Like, it was such a good price that you just couldn't let it up. Our original plan was just to kind of bring it back to life and then sell it for profit, because this was never your intentions. But slowly, just like me, he's been falling in love with the car too. It is definitely a lot cleaner than when we first got it. We took the whole interior apart and cleaned the crap out of it. Like I said, this is the year that came with the Recaro, so that is pretty sweet. This is like the cheapest running Evo 10 that I've ever seen. Like, we looked all over the internet and could not find a cheaper Evo 10. This is the cheapest one. Good on you for buying the Evo. Also, you're welcome for finding it for you. The back bumper on the 350 is still a little messed up, but I have absolutely no energy or motivation to fix it right now. I'm sorry, Amanda. I'll fix it. I'll just fix it another day. It's way too hot, and I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I've been trying to get these wheels together for like the longest time. They should be done by next video, and we'll go ahead and get the new tires mounted on. I'll save that for the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.